Hi everyone, we're back with the Hoover Windtunnel Tangle Guard upright vacuum. We're going to be doing the first test on this machine today. We're going to see how well it works on some pretty dirty carpet. See, there's a lot of kitty litter right here. It's a pet hair here and there. It's quite dirty, so we are going to start off right here. I'm going to see how well the Tangle Guard works. This sticker is a nightmare to remove, at least on mine. Two settings. So electric suction control. So if you have electronic control over your suction, it means if you have to clean I don't see any visible agitation on the Hoover. They pull that in before it even gets to it. See the pet hair right here. Let's see if I can see any agitation. I don't see any agitation on the Hoover. Tangle Guard. Oh, now look, there's some agitation. A little bit, not a lot. So the Tangle Guard did a pretty good job. It fluffed and lifted the carpet pretty good. You can see what we got from this small area of carpet. Static, making the dirt fly around. That's quite impressive. Let's see what the Hoover can pull out of the rest of the room. All right. This thing makes a lot of interesting sounds. Weird. See what it does on this very thick carpet. It's cleaning it just fine. Sealing itself down very tight. Move this Ken more out of the way. The cord clip doesn't work because the cord keeps falling down. Interesting sound the brush roll makes whenever it turns on. It's picking up the dirt and the hair pretty well. See, it's starting to get some fur in the bin. This is a pretty good vacuum. It's a little bit obnoxious. The sounds it makes are a little strange, but I'd say it works pretty good. that. I don't know why it's making that sound. Good amount of agitation on that rug. Not a lot on the really thick carpet, but most vacuums don't. Doing a very good job, actually. So it says to turn the brush roll off, you have to hold the suction button down for 3 seconds. Hopefully that was long enough, and then the brush roll should be off. And it wasn't. So I'm running with the brush roll on. I just have a couple things to clean. Like that, and that's it. That's a little bit of a pain. I don't know why there's just not a switch. Try to see if it can. A little bit of visible agitation on this rug. I'm surprised it's able to clean this without getting stuck. And it's slowing down a little bit. Not that bad. Again, I could always press the suction adjustment. All right, so let's go check the results of the Hoover Tangle Guard. All right, so you got a decent sized fur ball, of course, hidden behind the sticker, of course, and a lot of kitty litter. Let's check the filters. Did the 32 cyclones work? Oh, you can see the cyclones through here. Look at that, right in there. Is that dirt on the inside? Yeah, that's dirt on the way to the cyclones. You can see there is definitely dust going through the cyclones. See that? That's quite a lot of dust already. Look at the, I can't tell if the filter is dirty, but look right here. That's quite a bit of fine dust already after just one use. It's not too bad, but if you're using this a lot, this filter is going to get clogged pretty fast. So the cyclones, they do work, but they're not the best cyclones I've ever seen. Let's check the brush roll. It looks pretty good. I'll give them that. That brush roll looks... This glue right here, I'm going to have to get sticker remover and take off, because the sticker was a nightmare. I had to use the crevice tool to scrape the sticker off, and there's still all this left. Overall, it's a pretty good machine. As you saw, looks like you can take the power head off by pressing this. It did a pretty good job cleaning up dirt off the carpet. You can see it did pick up the dirt and the pet hair very well. You can see the cyclones through the mesh. It's easier to see them now that they're a little dirty. But I think that Hoover should improve their cyclone just a little bit, because there was quite a bit of dirt through the filter already, and that's just one use. I mean, this is some dirt, but it's not that much dirt. Imagine if you have this for years, how much dirt you're going to suck through this. I can just see that filter getting really dirty really quickly, but we'll see. So I hope you enjoyed this video of the Hoover Tangle Guard Upright Vacuum, and I'll see you next time.